Today in the grain market, soybeans were down as exports inspections were below estimates. We did have a higher start, but that sparked more selling, sending futures lower on the day and even lower for the week. We had an 11-cent range in November, but ended up getting down 6 3/4 to 11.35 before bouncing back a little bit. Even July got down to 11.09 1/4. We did add 1,200 to the put side of the option open interest, and that's still increasing in the November, even though we still have July still on the board for a few more days. Now, CVOL for the soybeans is at 16.8%, with the oil at 26 and the meal at 21%. Corn was lower today, with weather being good for the crop right now, along with the higher dollars adding some pressure to the futures, and we're just a few ticks from making a new contract low. Today, December was down 2 1/4 cents to 4.35, with July getting down to 4.07. So it's getting close to that $4 support level. Even September got down to 4.15 1/2. Here in December, we added 3,100 to the put side of the option open interest, but let it be known that in December we have almost 500,000 open interest on calls and 260,000 on the put side, so it continues to increase there. Now, CVOL is at 30% for the corn. Wheat today was the one that was higher, though. It's over concerns about the winter crop. The harvest is the earliest on record because of the worries about the drought and the late freeze. But we'll see what the total outcome is going to be here. September was up 10.5 cents to 6.07 1/2, with July getting up to 4.97 1/4. We did add 2,400 to the option open interest there, but it's still lagging behind. July actually still holds the highest open interest, was 104,000 on the call side. So CVOL for the wheat is at 27.4%.